Good afternoon, everybody. It is October 19th, 2011, and fall has arrived. We have a deep area of low pressure. Let's just take a look. This is radar and satellite. Let me turn satellite off. This is radar. There's a low pressure area forming over the Ohio Valley, southeast U.S. Now, this is the remnant of the storm that moved through here yesterday and continues today, in a sort of a tropical feature that came out of the Gulf of Mexico, combining here to form this impressive fall storm system. Let me put on the barometric pressure here on the overlay. See if I can get that. Look how tightly wound up this is. This is the isobars. Isobars are equal lines of pressure. Remember, low pressure, counterclockwise circulation. So you see the rain pumping up in front of the low, pulling up and wrapping behind it. That is what's causing our cloudy, windy conditions. When you see the isobars this closely packed together, you know there's going to be some wind. Anytime you see tightly packed isobars, it means windy conditions. This storm is going to continue to wind up into tomorrow. So cloudy, patches of drizzle, light rain into Thursday with gusty winds. Wind gusts on Thursday will likely be 20-30 miles an hour. Probably see some 35-mile-per-hour gusts, especially as you get into the Evansville area. Less as you go towards the southwest, more as you get closer to this storm system. Impressive early fall system. Let's switch over to turn radar and just look at the satellite real quick here. You see these thunderstorms off the east coast and that wound up storm over the Ohio Valley, the Great Lakes, southeast United States. Impressive for this time of the year. And I tell you, I looked at the long-range models. Here we are. This is the low pressure over Ohio today. And as I move forward in this is Wednesday, Thursday. You see a tightly wound up system over the Great Lakes. If this was wintertime, we would be experiencing some bitter cold air and even snow. It's a little early for that, but this is an impressive early fall system, and continues on Thursday and Friday, and then it pulls away into Canada as we get into the weekend. High pressure settles into our region. That means cold weather on Friday and Saturday morning. Would not be surprised to see some upper 20s over parts of southeast Missouri and southern Illinois, 30s elsewhere, at least a frost possible and maybe a freeze in some counties. Let's move into the weekend. Here we are on Saturday, still have high pressure. Sunday, high pressure continues. Storm moving in from the west on Sunday afternoon and evening, and a front from the north could bring a few showers. Let's take a look at the 500 millibar level. Remember, I told you anytime you see this trough in the east, that usually means cool weather for our region, and this is an impressive deep trough for this time of the year. And you see the winds coming down from the north, going underneath us here, and then back up the strong jet stream winds, the winds at about 18,000 feet. This would be, let's move that forward, and you see that pulls away. See how it pulls away, continues. We mainly have the flow in from the west northwest, so cool air. Another bit of a ripple here comes in on Sunday and Monday as the next storm system moves in. Jet stream again at 18,000 feet. The winds not as sharp as the one we're experiencing now. See how it flattens out, but keep an eye on the long range here. Here we go into next Wednesday. Another bit of energy dives down into this trough, digs it again. Look how deep this trough is. This is impressive. Deep trough later next week means more cold weather, and then as we pull out, that pulls away by next weekend, followed by more energy coming in from the west northwest. If this is a preview of winter, we're going to have a long and cold winter. We'll just have to see if this October will repeat into November and December. But these are impressive areas of low pressure, impressive troughs. And as we go out to the long range, now keep in mind this is way out there, but day 15 and 16, and just impressive. Another deep trough in the east. If this were true, then around the first part of November, it is going to be cold. So very active pattern, a lot of cool weather, below normal temperatures, quite a bit of wind with these systems. We'll keep an eye on it. Right now, most of the lows are to our east, so that keeps us out of the severe weather threat. That's the good news for now. We'll monitor it, but prepare for a couple of weeks of mostly below normal temperatures. Have a good day.